Welcome back. I'm about to work on the bucket seats, but I need to build some brackets so I can mount the seats and to see what we got. See what we got going on. There you have it. Some square tubing. Just weld it on there, mount the seat. And just joking. That's just for mock-up. But we are gonna mount the seats. Gonna mount them bucket seats. So there's some square tubings that I'm gonna cut up, measure. Hopefully, you can work it out. Well, stand by. Alright, now that that's done, we can work on the brackets. So I have the seat mounts sort of cut up. I'm about to get it welded up. Then we'll test fit it in the truck. Hopefully everything works out good. Alright, so got the brackets all welded up, and I was gonna just weld it onto the floor, but when I was taking out the original seat brackets here, you can see right here, let me see, the floor kind of cracking. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut some small plates, square plates. So weld this onto that, and then weld these plates onto the floor. So hopefully that will keep it more secure and steady. So I drilled some holes so I can mount the seat bracket, and like how it's set up here is if I need to move this thing forward, at least I got something to mount it up to, just in case. But this is most likely how it's going to sit right there, something like that. Yep. And then I also made an access hole, so I put a socket in there to tighten up the bolts. Just, you know, one a little oversized, but enough to clear the socket. So now just need to load up my plates. Something like that. So I can mount it on the floor. So I have the plates kind of set in this location. Bent these to kind of match the contour, and so I'm just gonna weld it in place like that. At least this way it's you know, supported all the way around. Alright, so weld it up. It's pretty solid. I thought I would have to put another piece in between here, but with these plates here, it helped out a lot. It's pretty solid. Not the prettiest welds, but the middle here is super thin. Battery's going out on my flashlight, but yeah. So the metal here is super thin, and every time I try to weld it, it would actually burn through. So I'm trying to cover up some holes and stuff, but other than that, I'm pretty good. This thing breaks because I get into an accident or something. It must have been a really bad accident, because tell you what, this is solid. I think it's better than the original mount anyway. So look at the shit that was holding that crap. Just freaking rivet. Ha. So looks good. Now they would do the other side. That's how it would be sitting. Didn't bolt it down or anything yet, because I'm going to take it back out, but just wanted to show you that's kind of how it lays. So stay tuned, more to come.